How to activate GCash Mastercard online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can activate GCash Mastercard online. So without further delay, let's get started. The first step is to link your GCash Mastercard to your GCash account. For that, launch the GCash application and make sure to log into your profile by entering your registered mobile number. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon. After that, under the account settings section, tap on My Linked Accounts. After that, you will see Link GCash Mastercard option. Tap on it. Then enter your card number, your expiration date and the CVV, which will be at the back of your card. Follow the on-screen instructions to link the card to your GCash account. And once the card is linked, the step 2 is to activate, which is typically automatic, but you can manually activate it. So for that, first of all, once you have opened up the GCash application, tap on Cash Out from the home screen. Then choose GCash Mastercard under the Cash Out options. If prompted, follow the instructions to confirm your card activation. You might be asked to enter a one-time PIN or OTP sent to your registered mobile number for the verification. And once the activation is done, you should receive a confirmation or a notification on the GCash application confirming that your GCash Mastercard is ready to use. Now you can use the card for online purchase, ATM withdrawals and in-store transaction. So that is the way to activate your GCash Mastercard online. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.